Hello guys, I'm making this video 3D printing. This is based on how to scale up a dragon and split the file to scale each piece up to 200%, 300%, whatever fits on your table. This is a Cura design space. I have 3 different printers, 2 different design space. I had 3. This one is for my Mazar S 3D printer. I also have Quid Max 3 and Bamboo A1 Lab. And my Quid Max 3 is in design space of Bamboo Lab. It prints so much better in that design space and then the Quid design space itself. So here I am showing everybody on how to split the file and scale it up. I kind of avoided this last year. This was the trend on scaling up dragons. I found prints that you were able to snap them in so much easier, guys. So my advice is try to find those prints. But if you can't, this is how you do it. So what you do is you upload your file. I already got one there. It's by Cinderwing. She already has the 300 and 200%, so I'm not going to do that right away here. I'm going to do the regular file, so I'm going to open it. And it's going to come up on my plate. So here she is. Alright. Let me close that out. So what I do here is, if you don't have the mesh tool, you need to go up into the marketplace in Cura, right here, this icon here. And what it is all different apps, connectors that you can connect to your design space. So find the mesh tool, add it to the Cura, close it and reopen, and you'll see it. So once you do all that, then you can be able to split this file. So I'm going to go to the mesh tool, down here, where you see split model into parts. Click it. It's going to take a few seconds for the Cura to do that. It's really easy to do. I'm going to also make the video for Bamboo design space to show you that way too. Bamboo Lab is so much easier because they have their own studio that you can just switch over to do the same thing as I'm doing here in Cura. So once the file is split, it's not done yet, it takes a few minutes. Cura takes a little longer than others. It's a really nice add-on program, mesh tool, because if you have issues in the print, you can fix the holes and fix the yeah, you can reload, check the mesh and all that. It's a really nice feature. So it is done. It's telling me it's done. And see how it got split. So each piece will be split. Come on, Cura. Sometimes it takes a while to... There we go. So let me get in here a little closer. So the feet here, don't move him right away. Move these pieces out of the way. But what I do is, alright, what makes it easier, delete all these pieces out. And once you delete all those, because you can come back and you know what piece to do the next piece. So what I'm saying here is, when you split the feet and this piece here, bring this piece out when you go to do it. Come on, Cura. This is why I don't like working in Cura so much. It likes to. And here, take that one out. hate Cura sometimes. Sorry, guys. She likes to take her time. So these here don't move. What you want to do is click on that. Go back to mesh. You want to regroup them. It's not letting me regroup. Alright. So usually it'll let you regroup. So those two will be connected again. Well, if you can't reconnect, it's fine. Because you want to scale these up as well. So, once you scale them up to whatever you want, you come over here to the scale. If I want, let's say 300%, hit enter. And once you scale it up, there's your piece. And just make sure you use the same scale on every one you do. And you can go as big as you want with the plate. That's how you do it, guys. And then once you guys scale up each individual piece, then what you gotta do is, this is what they were doing last year, is you gotta cut right there enough for that piece to slide in to connect. Same with each individual here. So that's how you do it. Split the model, scale it up, you're set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video. I appreciate your like button down, and continue to watch me. Thank you.